guys, welcome back. Digital Slang back again. Another video, another pair of true wireless earbuds. Now if you guys follow me, you guys know the MPAL Flame Pros, these guys right here, one of my favorite pair of earbuds to date. These things are fantastic. I love the Powerbeats Pro style, the MPAL Flame Pro style, and the Powerbeats Pro way overpriced. I like them, but they're way overpriced. The MPAL Flame Pros coming in at $99 are worth it, but they're still not budget friendly, right? And especially today in these times, we're looking for something that doesn't break the bank. These right here are going to be that style, and I'm hoping they fit that bill. Good sound. I'm hoping they have all of what I'm looking for, because the price on these guys is 23 bucks. And it varies 23 to 26 bucks depending on which model you get. There's two models. One has an LED light, an LED display on the inside of the case that displays the battery percentages. And then one, of course, without it. One's 23 bucks, one is 26 bucks. I don't even remember which one I ordered, but we'll check it out. Again, AliExpress. So, and I'm going to butcher the name. I don't even know how to pronounce the name. Sanlay Plus or Sanjay Plus, Sanlay Plus, B1s. I'm just going to call them the B1s because I have no idea how to pronounce the name. But let's just take a look at the box. Picture on the front. And it's going to tell us a little bit about it. Specs on these: Bluetooth 5.0, 9 hours of juice, and another 24 with the case. So battery life is pretty good. Let's be real. Nobody's wearing earbuds for 9 hours straight. So battery life on here is going to be really good. It's going to come with some extra tips as well. And IPX5, sweat and water resistant. So not waterproof, but that you can work out in them. And that's what I'm looking for when I rock these. I don't want them to move. So let's check them out. We're going to open it up, check it out. The box, pretty simple. Tells us a little bit about the specs on the side here, what I just talked about, a picture of them on the back. But let's dive in, open it up, start the testing, check them out. So again, the MPAL Flame Pros are definitely one of my favorite pair of earbuds to date. And check it out, hopefully these will compare. And it does have their logo on the front. It's kind of like a silver font, silver text. And there's ridges here, you guys can see that. It's a little different case, right? It's about the same size as the MPAL, a little bigger than the MPAL case, but a little different case, and I like that. I dig that. It's different, trying to stand out. And if we open it up, there is an LED light, an LED display in here, and they look like they're dead, so I'm going to have to charge them up. But let's see what else is in the box really quick, see what else it comes with. Should have some other stuff in here. So yeah, all the way at the bottom, I'm going to get, now this is a USB Type-C, which is good, not a micro USB. So for that price tag, USB Type-C, guys, I'm all about it. And we do get 2 extra pairs of silicone tips, of course. And then we have the user's manual in here as well. And these also support, they have a multifunction button, and they do support touch controls on each bud. Each bud is going to be able to control next track, previous track, play and pause, and volume. So really cool. And if these things sound good, if they sound decent, they're totally worth the price. So I'm going to charge them up. We'll check them out. We'll connect them, and then we'll start the testing. But we'll charge them up first. I'll be right back. All right, guys, if we take a look at the case, look, we got the logo on top. And again, it's going to be very similar in size to the Powerbeats Pro and the MPAL Flame Pro cases, just a different up top here. And if we open it up, you're going to see the buds inside, but if you hit this button in here, it's going to bring up the LED display, which gives you the battery percentages of each individual bud. So if we take these out, it's going to start the pairing process, and you can see it already came up, the B1s. So we're going to hit connect. We are connected. There's a voice in here that does say connected, so we'll throw them in, we'll check them out, we'll start the testing and see how they feel, see how they sound. I'm excited to see how they sound. So we'll throw them in, we'll start the testing. All right, so we got them in, and they are very secure. They're not going anywhere. And I think the sound, I think the ear tip that I have in will do the job for now. But let's try it out. We'll play some music and we'll try it out. Sound quality is good. It's not great. It's not where I would like it to be. It's nowhere near how the MPAL Flame Pros sound or the Powerbeats Pro. It's okay. There's some bass, but it's not that dump that I like. And it's clear. Don't get me wrong. It's clear. I think it could be louder. It's not loud enough, and the bass is a little lacking, but it is clear. The highs and the mids stand out more so than the bass. So on a scale of 1 to 10, if I had to grade the sound, maybe I'd give it a 7. Right? It's not the best, but at 23 bucks, it's good enough. It sounds like, think about a $23, $30 pair of earbuds. That's what you're getting. That's what kind of sound you're getting. Maybe I can improve it a little bit if I change out my ear tips, but it's not going to get much better. So not as good as I would have liked, right? The sound is decent. It's not great, but for 23 bucks, you know, it's not bad. It's better than the B10s that I've tested, this style, that clone that I tested of the Powerbeats Pro. It's better than those, but nowhere near the Flame Pros. And there's an $80 price difference, so it is what it is. Let's keep going with the testing. We're going to do a mic test. See how the mic sounds. What's going on, guys? A mic test. This is the Sanley Plus. I don't even know how to say that name. The B1s, another over-the-ear style earbud, in-earbud. Let me know how the mic sounds. Before we get into the next test, just be aware that you can use one at a time, and you also can share with somebody else, and both of you listen to the same content. So not bad for the price. So these are pretty good. You know, the sound quality, I wish it was a little better, because then these things would be a steal, but it's still 23 bucks. It's a good pickup. So, well, let me rephrase that. So far, it's decent. I'm not going to say it's a good pickup. Let's check out the next test, and let's see if there's any latency between audio and video. Let me know how the mic sounded. So there is some delay when watching content. I'm going to open up Netflix. I want to check it out, make sure it's just on YouTube. The delay is, it's there, and even when I try and speed up, it doesn't correct itself. So there is slight delay, and that's a bummer. Again, it's not going to be like this on Android devices, only on iPhones. But let's try Netflix and make sure there is no delay watching Netflix. So no delay watching Netflix, and for whatever reason, man, budget-friendly pairs of earbuds have that slight delay. It's weird to me, and it's only on iOS devices, not on Android, but it is what it is. So let's keep going with the testing. I'm going to show you guys how all of the touch controls work. So we'll play some music again, and we'll get into it. All right, guys, touch controls, the way they work. You have a button here on the side. This is your play and pause, as well as answering and ending a phone call. So if we hit it once, it pauses, hit it again, it plays. And this top button here will control your volume and your previous track and your next track. And the way that works, if we play some music, if we one tap, the volume is going to go up. Tap on the other side of that button, the volume is going to go down. And if you touch and hold, it goes to the next track. Touch and hold again, next track, and the other side, previous track. And they work very well. Touch controls on here, probably my favorite thing about these. They work very well. So I was hoping, right, for a little bit more, but at this price point, I can't really complain too much, because we get an IPX5 water and sweat resistant, right? Not waterproof, but for 23, 25, 26 bucks, it's kind of what you expect, right? Sound quality on here is decent, not the best. I would like it to be a little louder. I would like it to have more bass. It's clear. The latency when watching videos on iOS devices only, there is a slight delay, so that's kind of a bummer. But the touch controls work really well. Bluetooth 5.0, I didn't have any connection problems. And I did receive a phone call while I was shooting this video, and the call quality was pretty clear. I didn't have any problems, and whoever I was talking to heard me just fine. So look, for the price, 23 to 26 bucks. 26 bucks, you can get it with the LED display in here, and at 23 bucks, you get it without the display. So an extra 3 bucks will get you a battery percentage reading on your case. So overall, not bad at all. Again, from AliExpress. I'll drop the link below, but that's it. And if you guys know how to say the name of this company, I don't know how you would let me know, because I'm not going to be able to do it in a text, or if you send me a message, I'm not going to know. So I don't know how to say the name. I'm just going to call them the B1s. It is what it is. But look, for 23 to 26 bucks, they're not bad at all. So check them out if you want. Again, I'll drop the link. I hope everybody is staying safe. But that's it for the video, guys. We'll be back soon. I'm still on the hunt for the perfect budget pair of this style of buds. I love my Flame Pros, but they're still 100 bucks, right? I want something that's like the Flame Pros, around 30, 35 bucks. That's my goal. That's what I'm searching for, and I'm not going to stop until I find them. So that's it, guys. I'll be back. I'm home, quarantined, so I'll be dropping a lot of videos over the next 2 weeks. But it is what it is. I hope, again, everybody's staying safe. And talk soon, guys. Peace.